level 1 of the game, which, as you can see, is awesome. It's got a bouncy thing. Belongs to that guy right there. I know. Part of the U.S. Airways Tower. So here's the tour of the track. So in here's where you start, because that's a gate which blocks off the rest of the track. And so you come in here. You have to avoid getting hit by that 4 times. If that thing opens up before you get hit 4 times with that, you get onto that truck and bounce over the gate. And now let's we're on the track, the rest of the track. So you go through there, you go in here, you bounce onto that, and you end up in here where you want to finish. Now, if you do get hit 4 times, you get knocked onto the pad. You can drive in there and wait for the helicopter, which carries you back to there, and the gate opens. Or you can try to get around on that thing, which I'm gonna do the version that you do make it, because the plane somehow forgot to fly. Okay, anyway, start. Beep, boop, beep. Which that wasn't really what happened because I made it to the finish, see? I don't want to show another version. I gotta go to level 3, which is not with the tower. So anyway, thanks.